Hi everybody, Jo here again. Thanks so much for popping in. I hope you're having a lovely weekend. We've got quite a nice sunny day here in Cheshire. Just got back from taking Eric, went for a lovely walk around the park, round Shakely Mere, and then had a coffee from our favourite little coffee shop. And I'm just popping in, and this is just to let you know that the August online workshop is now available, and it consists of 4 little videos. If it's not something you're interested in, honestly, it doesn't matter. I'm happy just to have you here and spending time with me. But a few of you've messaged and asked about the online workshops, so it's all about choice. I'm just giving you the choice, no pressure whatsoever. All my online workshops, I charge £10, just a nominal £10, just because it helps keeping the crafty stash going. But that's all. I don't charge any more, any less. Some it's 3 videos, some it's 4. Roughly it's about 2 hours worth. And again, you can watch them individually. I like to do them individually in case you want to repeat one card more than others. So just to give you August in Bloom, the first card is a very nice, clean, simple, but again, very useful design and very monochromatic. This one I've added a little more blue, but again, we'll just craft along and create this together. Video number 2 is this one here. Some lovely blending, some faux bleaching, and I've just popped a white piece of card just so they show up a little bit better. We've got some of the Stickles glitter glue on there. So that's the design that you'll create with me in video number 2. Then we go on to video number 3, and I love this, a real colourful background, stencil work, and then the beautiful white crispness of the sunflowers and Bumble or Hum. Which one? I'm not sure. I think it's Hum, but it could be Bumble. Let me know. So that's design number 3. And again, you can watch the videos as many times as you want and create the design as many times as you wish. And then number 4, to finish off with, a lovely little tag. And again, slightly different colour tones on these, but it's nice to just show you how you can mix it up a bit. They are the same, but then different. So we'll create that one on video number 4. So if you fancy creating these lovely designs and joining me for some nice little crafty play, just drop me an email, let me know. I'll pop my email address at the end of this link, and if you don't fancy joining me, that's fine. You just have a lovely weekend. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. I might have something secret to use this afternoon, and then tomorrow I'm at Lee Craft Show demonstrating, so can't wait. Lovely show, great to see so many crafters, and I'm going to be playing, which is what I love, and I'll see you back on Monday. So you take care, everybody. Thanks for spending time with me, and please look after yourselves and look after each other. Love and hugs from me. Bye for now.